Understanding hard frost in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, hard frost, a term that's quite common in weather reports and discussions about climate. If you've ever wondered what exactly a hard frost is and how to use this phrase in a sentence, you're in the right place. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's get started. When we talk about a hard frost, we're referring to a weather condition where the temperature drops so low that the ground freezes solid. Unlike a light frost, which might only affect plants and surfaces, a hard frost penetrates deeper into the ground. It can cause the soil to freeze to the point where plant roots can't access the water they need. This is significant in gardening and agriculture because a hard frost can damage or kill crops and plants. So, why is hard frost such an important term to know, especially if you're interested in gardening or farming? Well, a hard frost signals that it's time to take measures to protect sensitive plants. It can also be a cue for farmers to harvest certain crops before the frost damages them. Moreover, a hard frost has broader implications, affecting everything from road safety, where icy conditions become a hazard, to energy consumption, as people need more heat in their homes. Let's look at some examples of how to use hard frost in sentences. The weather forecast predicts a hard frost tonight, so we should cover the tomato plants to protect them. After the hard frost, we noticed that the blooms on the apple tree didn't survive. Roads may be slippery tomorrow morning due to a hard frost overnight. Notice that hard frost is often used in discussions about future events, precautions, or past consequences, which can be helpful in understanding context and usage. And that's a wrap on hard frost. Remember, this phrase isn't just about cold weather. It's a specific condition that can affect a whole lot of things, from plants to traffic. I hope this video helps you understand and use the term hard frost with confidence. Stay tuned for more English language learning tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.